Hi, I'm going to show you how to install Defender Series on your Microsoft Surface Go. A quick note: if you're installing an Alpha Glass screen protector, make sure to do that first. You can watch the Alpha Glass installation video to learn how. Begin taking apart the case by peeling the slipcover off the shell. Then find the arrows on the shell and release each snap point to separate the two parts of the shell. Now place the tablet into the lid, bottom first. Place the case back onto the case lid and snap together all around the shell. Wrap the slipcover around the shell, pressing it into place along the edges and around the buttons and camera. Now for your shield stand. Lift on the internal stand and lock it into place. Your device sits on the stand at a tall angle for landscape viewing and portrait viewing, and a lower angle for typing. That's it! Your Microsoft Surface Go is protected by Defender Series and ready for use.